Supper Wednesday, let's get cooking. From skillet to plate, just take a look in. So grab your boots and come our way. It's what's for Supper Wednesday.
Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're going to be fixing seasoned burger with cheesy Mexican rice. We've got 2 pounds of burger here. We got 2 boxes, I should say, of the cheesy Mexican rice. We got 1 pack of the taco seasoning, 2 8-ounce things of cheddar cheese, and 3.5 cups of water. Alrighty, and at the end of this video we're going to have an update on Shelby. Please stay tuned. Now let's get started. Now we're going to brown up the burger here. Clean up your mess there, Doug. Yeah, that'll help you turn the stovetop on. Alright, now we're just putting in 1 pack of taco seasoning. Now folks, don't get me wrong, this was great, tasted really good. But the next time we make this, I'm going to use 2 packs of the taco seasoning. It could use just a little bit more of a oomph to it there. But no, it was really good. And also, you're doing it in 1 skillet, so the mess cleanup, it ain't bad at all. Alrighty, we're just going to brown this up. We've done added the seasoning there. Just get it all good and brown there, Doug. You're doing a fine job. Yeah, bust that up a little bit there. Alrighty, now we're putting in the rice. By the way, we've got the oven already preheated to 350 degrees. Now add in our season packs from the boxes of rice, I should say. Watch that paper, don't get no fire started. And I noticed there too, see the color difference in the cheesy powder? I don't know why that was. You would have thought they'd have both been the same color. Now we're adding in the 3.5 cups of water. Now we're just going to get this mixed all up good there. Get it all stirred up. Get it blended together the best you can. This is quick and simple also, folks. I think Doug's getting a thing of cheese here. He should be. There we go. Now we're going to pour in the 1 8-ounce thing of cheese right now. And mix that in there also. There was some stuck to the bottom down in there. That's what I'm doing right now. Now just get that stirred together good. Now what we're going to do, we'll get the lid and put on top of there. And we're going to place it in the oven for 35 minutes with the lid on. Alrighty. Now don't do like Doug does here. He grabbed a hold of the top of the lid with his hand. It didn't take him long to look at it though. Now, you can see that cheese in there. Just stir it up good. Get that rice all mixed back together in there. We're fogging up a little bit. Yep, just get it all incorporated in. Now here in just a second, we're going to get our other bag of cheese and put that on top. That's it, Doug. Blend it all together. Now when we put it back in the oven here in just a second, we're going to leave the lid off this time. The rice and everything, well, the rice, it's pretty well cooked now, but we're going to put it back in for about 15 more minutes. Once Doug gets done stirring around here. There, he's finishing up maybe. Oh, there. I'll just lay the spoon down there, Doug. Where's the rest of that cheese? Now we didn't put quite all this next bag into it there. We put most of it. We left some out to where we could sprinkle some on the finished product. Now, like I said, we're going to leave the lid off this time, place it back in the oven for 15 more minutes, and it'll be done. There's the finished product. It's smelling good. Now, I'm going to hush up and we'll let Carolyn and Dan give it a try here. Alrighty, folks. Dan, Shug, give it a try.
Okay. That's delicious.
Delicious. Very good.
Alrighty. They say it's good, folks. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Thank y'all for watching. I had did a post yesterday there, but if y'all didn't see it, she is still in the hospital and she seems to be doing well, but still has lots of swelling. She is unable to open her left eye yet because of the swelling, but eventually she should be able to, will be able to. And she's been sick on her stomach from all the meds they are giving her. Please, everybody, keep lifting her up in prayer. If she gets able to walk some and sit up quite a bit, they may let her come home. Now, this is what her sister told me this morning there. So, y'all, if you would, please continue praying for Miss Shelby. And I sure do appreciate it. I know she does too. Thank y'all.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homans, Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.